On Jordan Green, and he just got revoked. So, Pavel just did the rip because dad is here. My client was recently diagnosed with bipolar earlier this week, and the state said they're going to,
Come up, Dad. Your dad? Your dad, come on up. Or you, Step, are you the real father? Step, what's the relation?
I'm dad.
You're real, biological father. Okay, great.
and he recently got out of the National Guard.
Oh, wow. So it's just going downhill.
So they talked to dad.
Shh.
They talked everything out. My client and his father have talked everything out, and they're in a good place. But the office reports reevaluate in light of the information.
Don't I remember something in you saying something that he has drug issues?
Don't believe I don't see anything in the summary.
So what we do, is it Mr. Green? Mr. Green, what we do is we admonish everyone here. When you pick up a case, be good. Don't do anything to violate conditions whatsoever, because if you do, we put you in jail, right? And he is not, 1 month has passed, less than he picked up a new case. So we have now, I put him in jail.
I understand, but he's a good kid and never had no problem until when he got out.
Something is going on with Mr. Green though.
We just came from the doctor Wednesday. I think it was that the 10th or something like that. They diagnosed him with bipolar. So
Is he self-medicating with other issues, with other things?
I think he smoked weed.
Ron, the DWI is charged as a DWI with weed or THC.
Okay, no, but in the interference case, didn't you say something that there was, or am I thinking of someone else?
Maybe judge with this PC statement didn't involve, this was an argument over language. Individual.
Right, oh, okay, all right. One second. I want him to understand that we mean business and that he cannot just continue to run amok without there being any kind of consequence. He picked up a really serious charge. This is a Class A. He's facing a year in jail. What I can do is I can make you a plan that I want him to understand that we mean business. And what I can do is I can keep him over the weekend. Early next week, we can release him to your custody if you want. Yeah.
How would he get his medication?
They have doctors in the jail, and we can have him either sent to medical so that they can have him evaluated there as well. But if I just let him out now, then it's basically enabling him and telling him it's okay to do, continue to do. And it's not. You just can't continue to pick up cases.
There's no bond on that thing.
No, their bonds are set. There are bonds that are set. And if you want to, you can bond him out. But I'm telling you now, if you come to me on Monday, one of the worst parts about being in jail, there's no clocks, there's no windows, everybody smells like holy hell. It's a miserable experience. And when you don't have an expected release date, that really has something to do with your psyche. It really does something to you. If you know that you're going to get out at a certain point, all you're doing is you're wishing, you're hoping. But if you don't have that expected release date, it really plays a number on you.
Last time it was they say you don't want to go back. So
Right. But he didn't get it. So hopefully now, if he doesn't know that he's going to get out, he will truly understand that we mean business. And that's what I'm trying to impart to you is that if you go back there and tell him I'm going to let him out Monday or Tuesday, then it's not going to be the same thing as if he knows that there's no expected release date. But if you come to me on Monday, I'll release him to you.
just come back in Monday.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tell me about where he's living though now. Is he living with you? What is he doing?
Yeah, he's living with us.
Okay.
He's living with us from birth.
Is he Is he working? What's going on with his life?
He had a job at the hospital, and I guess because of his, whatever, like, his temper or whatever, he got fired.
Did he graduate from high school? He did graduate from high school, right? And I guess, is the National Guard still open and
Yeah.
he's still in it as it?
As far as I know, yeah.
Okay. We'll roll this case over to Monday, okay? You know, what I want him to see is, you know, when we bring people out in orange and dad is standing next to them, it really plays a big part in it as well. You know, and what I'm gonna do is I will let him know at that point that I'm gonna release him to you and that you're basically staying on top of him, and one false move, again, it's gonna happen right back where he's gonna go back, and this time I'm not gonna let him out. And hopefully he'll get the message.
Yes.
But there has to be some consequence. It just can't. Stephen, on Mr. Green, he's taking,
His dad had informed me I was gonna put it in the notes, to the booking notes, if that's the way we're going.
great. So that way you know that we're gonna get into medical, so he's not gonna just be thrown into general population and just be forgotten about. We'll take care of him, but he still has, you know, I want him to understand that we mean business, that we're not here to play around,
All right.
okay? So, great. We'll see you Monday.
Please.
Same place. Yeah, yeah. I mean, we start here early, so I'll be here at 8:45 Monday and go from there.
Monday. Okay, thank you, honey.
Thank you so much for coming, Mr. Green.